All right, so we have a 1993 Capri here. Put the key in, won't start. Well, it won't start. So here's the key actually. Stick the key in, make sure there's a button here when you want to take it out. It is a stick. Press the clutch down, turn the key, completely quiet. And then we did a battery analyzer here. We got 12.42. Did the AC sound waves in there is good. Put in 585 co-current amps. So we got juice in the battery. But now we notice that there's a fuse that's broken here, 80 amp fuse. And that popped. So that could be our culprit.